Hi friends, today I'm making this stained wall art using Rust-Oleum's Varathane wood stain in these fun colors. When using the Varathane fast dry wood stain, you don't need any wood conditioner and we'll be able to get the color we want with just one coat. The wood stain should be dry in about an hour and then we're ready for assembly. I drew some guidelines on the backing just to mark the center and keep everything straight and square, and then just glue and attach the pieces using a finish nailer. A speed square really helps to keep the 45-degree angles perfect, and then just keep filling in. You can see here these two red pieces are too long, so I have to go back and trim them, and then I could re-put them back in place. Once all your pieces are attached, trim all the edges flush and then add a nice flat molding for a frame.